Welcome to Enuven Cake and Cookies. Today I am sharing a rich and creamy Sabudana Kheer. Slow cooked with milk, caramel sweetness, and roasted dry fruits. A perfect festive or comfort dessert. Let's start the recipe. Take half cup sabudana and soak it for 1 hour. Sabudana is extracted from tapioca roots. Transparent sabudana means it is perfectly cooked. Wash well and keep aside. Heat 1 teaspoon ghee in a pan. Add 2 tablespoon cashew nut, 2 tablespoon almonds, 2 tablespoon pistachio, and 2 tablespoon raisin. Roast for 1 minute and keep aside. Sabudana Kheer is popular during fasting and festivals. In another pan, pour 1 liter milk and keep stirring. Stir milk regularly to prevent burning. Let the milk boil. Add the soaked sabudana and stir continuously. Cook until the sabudana becomes transparent. In a separate pan, add half cup sugar and 1 tablespoon water. Cook until the sugar caramelizes. Then add 1/4 cup water and cook for 2 minutes more. Now add the caramel to the sabudana milk mixture and mix well. Add caramel slowly to avoid splashing. Caramel adds deep flavor and color to kheer. Cook on medium heat for creamy texture. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes on medium heat. Add the roasted dry fruits and mix. Remove from heat and serve warm or chilled. Sabudana provides quick energy. Milk is rich in calcium and protein. Dry fruits add healthy fats and minerals. Homemade kheer avoids artificial flavoring. Your Sabudana Kheer is creamy, aromatic and perfectly cooked. Enjoy it warm or chilled as you like. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Inoven Cake and Cookies for more traditional dessert.